In the world of Nordic winter tires, one name has reigned supreme: Continental's VikingContact 7, but today, it's time to see if it can hold its throne against a formidable challenger from the world's top tire company, Michelin. With their X-Ice Snow, released in 2018, the VikingContact 7 has been a benchmark in the segment, but how does it fare against the 2020 newcomer, the X-Ice Snow? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental VikingContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, let's talk about ice. In harsh Nordic conditions, where temperatures often drop below -10 Celsius, ice performance is critical. The VikingContact 7 truly shines here. In ice braking, the Continental stops in just 3.06 meters, while the Michelin X-Ice Snow takes 3.39 meters to come to a halt. When it comes to ice handling, the VikingContact 7 completes the course in 48.82 seconds, a clear lead over the X-Ice Snow's 52.54 seconds. But what about snow? Snow performance is a bit closer. The VikingContact 7 stops from snow braking in 11.46 meters, just ahead of the X-Ice Snow at 11.61 meters. In snow handling, the VikingContact 7 again edges out the Michelin, completing the course in 72.25 seconds compared to 73.44 seconds for the X-Ice Snow. In wet conditions, the VikingContact 7 leads in braking, stopping 1.84 meters shorter than the X-Ice Snow. However, the X-Ice Snow is 0.28 seconds quicker in handling and performs better in straight-line aquaplaning by 1.2 km/h. Dry performance shows a similar pattern. The VikingContact 7 stops 1.85 meters shorter in dry braking. For subjective dry handling, both tires are evenly matched, scoring 4 points each. For rolling resistance, the Michelin X-Ice Snow is slightly more fuel efficient, with a lower resistance coefficient value of 5.9 compared to the VikingContact 7 coefficient value of 6.1, making it a better choice for fuel savings. Finally, let's talk about comfort. The VikingContact 7 is the clear winner here, offering the quietest ride in its class. It scores a perfect 5 out of 5 in subjective noise performance, while the X-Ice Snow lags behind with a 3 out of 5 rating, making it slightly louder and less comfortable. So, who is the king of Nordic tires? Based on these test results, the Continental VikingContact 7 is still the undisputed champion in ice and snow performance. It dominates where it matters most for a Nordic tire. On the other hand, the Michelin X-Ice Snow, while strong in wet handling, aquaplaning, and rolling resistance, falls short in the key winter categories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.